Hello everyone, today we're at the Hampton Inn & Suites North Houston Spring location and we have a 1 king size bedroom. So I'm going to take you on a little tour. Alright, so I first just walked in. We're going to head immediately to the left. We have the bathroom. In the back, we've got the toilet, toilet paper, all the fun stuff. It's very roomy in here. And then if you come inside the shower, got a handlebar for easy access. They have their own soaps. There's a shower head, and I'm noticing these more a lot in hotels. The draining system is different. I like this draining system a lot. So that's the shower, and it's a wide space, so you can move around. You can have multiple people in here at once if someone needs to wash their face and someone needs to shower. But anyway, over here we've got all of our toiletries. We've got towels and washcloths and all those sorts of things. They've got body lotion, hand soap right there. Let me back up a little bit so you can see that. We got the sink, lots and lots of space on the countertop. If we go down here, that is a hair dryer. So you got a hair dryer if you need. And I like this because it kind of compartmentalizes the use of space. We've got 2 of these pull-outs. They go in pretty far, so you got a lot of space. That's really nice. Let's walk out here real quick. And there's a sliding door with a mirror. I'm gonna slide that out of the way so you can see the other room, or the other part that the door is hiding. We've got the closet. We've got an iron. I think that's an extra blanket if it gets too cold for you. We've got hangers on a rack, an ironing board, and then the thing that you can set like your luggage on or something like that. If we venture further into the room, I immediately noticed a lot of lighting, which I love. Love all the lamps. I've got the king size bed. I'll get a better angle for you in a second, but over here I wanted to show that we've got the charging ports and the USB ports, and then they have more of these like little slide out things so you can put whatever you need if this isn't enough room. And then I'm going to back up a little bit so you can see kind of the size of the room itself. So I'm like backing myself into the corner. So from here, this is the corner of the room. All right, so I'll show you the king size bed. And then we've got 2 ottoman. They're very pretty. And then if you come over here, you've got a clock and another lamp and another pull-out drawer. And then there's more plug-ins right here. And come around this way. We've got a nice reading chair. I'm gonna back up so you can see all that. A nice reading chair with a nice reading lamp. I love one that kind of like hangs over so you can really get the light on the book or the phone, whatever you're doing in that area. Over here, we've got a desk and a lamp, and then I think, yep, we've got a rolly table chair, rolly desk chair, so that's really fun. Over here, we have got our TV, and then down here, let's see what we got. I'm gonna open this first one. Ooh, almost lost it. There we go. We've got a mini fridge in here. Let's open that up. All right, we got 2 shelves and we've got some shelving over here, so that's really nice. We got lots of shelving for if we need it. Over here, we have got the ice bucket with some cups and then some coffee. You like coffee, you can have that. And then over here, we've got these little kind of pantry-like things. They pull out, they can hold, I guess, food, clothing, whatever you need them to. And there's 3 of those shelves in there, so that's pretty nice. And then, yeah, I think that's the entire room. So let me back up again so I can give you kind of the overview. I'm gonna kind of sweep across. And then we've got the bathroom in there. All right, thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you get a chance to come visit sometime soon. Thanks for watching. All right, bye.